Wing night is always a big deal here at our house. From hot wings to ranch wings and everything in between, we're always cooking familiar wing flavors as well as testing out brand new flavors. Today, I want to share with you another wing recipe that was a big hit at our last family wing night. Chili fried chicken wings will bring bold flavor to any table. If you are familiar with cooking traditional chili dishes, then you already know where this recipe is headed. Let's gather our ingredients. 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 10 completely thawed chicken wing sections, salt, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cilantro. Before we begin, it is important to turn on your fryer and allow the oil to get really hot before we drop any chicken into it. The best temperature for this dish is 375 degrees. Just like any other fried chicken wing recipe, start by whipping up an egg wash. However, we're going to season this egg wash with a half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and a half teaspoon of cumin. Turn and roll the chicken wing sections in the egg wash until thoroughly covered. Next, we need to dry mix 1 cup of flour, 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Turn and roll the egg wash chicken wings until coated very well. By now, the oil in your fryer should be really hot and ready to go. Drop the wings in and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Since we're using quite a bit of chili powder, they will appear dark golden brown and crispy when they are ready to be removed from the fryer. When done, take the chicken out and use a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Garnish with a little cilantro, and you're ready to serve and enjoy.